Opening AutoCAD before speed it up. Now we'll make some changes that will help with the legislation of opening the AutoCAD program. We pick properties by right-clicking on the program icon. Then we write Nolago in the location depicted in the video. We will make space, then we will write Nolago. Tap on Compatibility and check on Run as administrator. Then tap Apply. Turn off the graphics performance. Finally, go to Task Manager and tap on Details. Then set priority on real time like that.